What is the latest achievement in space exploration? Well, it's quite a story. Buckle up as we journey through the events of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. This isn't just any mission, mind you. Chandrayaan-3 has not only marked India's first successful voyage to the moon's surface, but it's also the first mission ever to make a touchdown in the lunar South Pole. A remarkable feat that has carved out a unique space for India in the annals of space exploration. Now, let's dive into the chronological unfolding of this exciting mission. Our journey begins on July 14th, 2023. That day, a monumental event took place at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The Chandrayaan-3 mission launched, carrying the hopes and dreams of not just India, but all of humanity. This wasn't just any mission. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. On board the spacecraft were two pivotal components, the lander Vikram and the rover Pragyan. Vikram, named after the father of the Indian space program, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, held a crucial role. Its task was to make a successful soft landing on the lunar South Pole, an area untouched by human-made objects, a place of interest due to its potential resources for future moon bases. Accompanying Vikram was Pragyan, the rover, whose name means wisdom in Sanskrit. Pragyan was set to explore and examine the moon's South Pole's composition, providing invaluable data for about 2 weeks before the harsh lunar night would end its mission. With the successful launch, the spacecraft was on its way to the moon, carrying the dreams and aspirations of billions. Fast forward to August 5th, 2023. This day marked a significant milestone in the Chandrayaan-3 mission. The spacecraft carrying the lunar lander Vikram and the rover Pragyan made its entry into the lunar orbit. Entering lunar orbit is no small feat. It requires precise calculations and impeccable timing. The spacecraft needs to approach the moon at the correct angle and speed. Too fast, and it risks bouncing off into space. Too slow, and it might crash into the lunar surface. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, was up to the task. Guided by a team of dedicated scientists and engineers, Chandrayaan-3 successfully entered the lunar orbit. This was a crucial step in the mission, as it positioned the spacecraft for the next phase, the lunar landing. This achievement was not just about reaching the moon, it was a testament to human ingenuity, to our ability to overcome challenges and push the boundaries of our knowledge. It demonstrated that with the right combination of technology, skill, and determination, we can reach for the stars, or in this case, the moon. The lunar orbit entry was successful, bringing the mission one step closer to its ultimate goal. Then came the moment of truth on August 23, 2023. The world held its breath as India's lunar lander, Vikram, approached the moon's surface. The minutes leading up to the landing were filled with palpable tension, the air thick with anticipation. Every heartbeat echoed the countdown, every breath held onto the hope of a successful landing. As Vikram descended, it was not just a spacecraft making its journey to the moon. It was the collective aspiration of a nation reaching for the stars. The lunar South Polar region, a destination never before touched by a human-made object, was about to receive its first guest. And then, it happened. Vikram landed, making its mark on the lunar soil. The tension dissolved into exuberant cheers, the anticipation gave way to overwhelming joy. India had done it. The country had landed on the moon, and not just anywhere, but at the South Pole, a first in the history of lunar exploration. The celebrations that followed were nothing short of spectacular. The successful landing brought unity and pride to the Indian population, amidst all diversities. The achievement was celebrated with prayers, live viewings, flag waving, fireworks, and dancing across the country. The event garnered praise from celebrities, politicians, and global icons. It was not just a significant step for India in becoming a space pioneer, but also a symbol of India's changing world order and its growth as an international power broker. With the successful landing, India etched its name in the annals of space exploration, becoming the 4th country to land on the moon and the first to do so near the lunar South Pole. So, what does the Chandrayaan-3 mission signify? The Chandrayaan-3 mission marks a significant milestone in space exploration. It showcases India's growing prowess in the field, with the successful landing of a spacecraft and rover on the moon's South Pole, a feat achieved by no other country before. The mission's objectives are multifaceted. They aim to study the lunar surface, the presence of water ice, lunar impacts, and the moon's atmosphere. The lander Vikram and the rover Pragyan are equipped with a variety of scientific instruments to perform on-site analysis. The data collected is expected to provide invaluable insights into our celestial neighbor and its potential resources. Furthermore, this mission is not a one-time event. The lander and rover, after a short hibernation due to depleting solar power, are planned to reawaken and resume their work on September 22nd. In essence, the Chandrayaan-3 mission paves the way for future space exploration, setting the stage for more ambitious endeavors, such as establishing moon bases and planning manned lunar missions. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is not just a landmark achievement for India, but a significant stride for mankind in the exploration of the moon, opening up new possibilities for the future.